Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to create our black diamond necklace. This necklace uses these stunning Pave beads in black diamond attached to chain to create a quick and easy look that will add sparkle to any outfit. To make this necklace, you're going to need 6 of the 4mm, 4 of the 6mm, 4 of the 8mm, and 3 of the 10mm black diamond Swarovski crystal Pave beads. You'll also need 1 brass swivel lobster claw clasp in antique silver in 14mm, 2 4.5mm antique silver plated brass 21 gauge open jump rings, 2 2x2mm sterling silver crimp beads, and then 2 3.5mm sterling silver crimp bead covers. You'll also need 14 inches of the base metal 1.9mm Rollo chain in antique silver, and then 8 inches of soft flex beading wire. For our tools, we're going to be using chain nose pliers, wire cutters, and crimping pliers. You can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, to start, you want to cut an 8-inch length of beading wire and then 2 7-inch lengths of your chain. So you want to take your beading wire, take a crimp bead, string it on, and then take one of the chain lengths and go through that last link on one end. Then you want to bring it back through the crimp bead. And then bring that up close to the chain, leaving a little bit of wiggle room. Then you want to take your crimping pliers and that back notch. You're just going to take that crimp bead, put it in there, and just give it a good squeeze to crimp that down. Then you're going to rotate it 90 degrees in that front notch, crimp it again, and that's just going to fold it over on itself. So now you just want to take your cutters and just trim that tail. Okay, so now we just want to string our Pave beads. So we're going to do 3 of the 4mm, and then 2 of the 6mm, two of the 8mm, and then 3 of these 10mm. Okay, and then we're just going to go back down, starting with 2 8s. And then your 2 6s. And then last will be those 3 4mm Pave beads. Okay, so you have those all strung up. Now we just want to repeat what we did on this side for the other side. So you want to take crimp bead, string it on that end of the beading wire, and then take an end link from the other length of chain, String that on, and then go back through the crimp bead. You want to make sure and bring it down to the bead, making sure you leave a little bit of wiggle room. Then you want to take your crimping pliers again in that back notch, place that crimp bead, give it a good squeeze. You're going to rotate it 90 degrees, put it in that front notch, squeeze again, and that's going to just fold it over on itself. Okay, take your wire cutters and just trim that tail. Okay, and so now you have that all attached and strung up. So we just want to add our crimp bead covers. And to do that, you just want to place that crimp bead just right inside that crimp bead cover. And you just want to close that up by gently squeezing those ends of the crimp bead cover together to create a cute little silver bead. I'll just repeat that for the other end. Okay, just put that crimp bead right inside that crimp bead cover, and then just gently squeeze those ends together. Okay, and that just gives it a nice finished look. And now we just need to add our clasp. So to do that, you want to take your chain nose pliers. Just going to open up the jump ring, just bringing one end towards you, the other away. And we're just going to attach that jump ring to that last link. Of one end of the chain, and then just close it back up by bringing those ends back together. Okay, and then one more time, opening up that jump ring, just bringing one end towards you, the other away. And this time attach your clasp, and then attach that to that other end link of chain. And again, close that back up, bringing both those ends back together. There you just have a nice lobster claw clasp to connect to your jump ring to secure that. Okay, and there you have it. A sparkling new black diamond necklace to wear for your next night out. You can find all of the tools and materials for this black diamond necklace at fusionbeads.com.